Krishna. Srila Prabhupada always desired that children read Srimad Bhagavatam as it would equip them to know any subject. By giving them the foundation of Srimad Bhagavatam, children become confident of their spiritual identity and they will do well academically also. The emotional and spiritual quotient is also taken care of. Srila Prabhupada's books not only inspire critical reasoning but also creative thinking, which are the main elements of academic education. Children very easily learn English language skills like reading, writing, comprehension, communicating through visual arts, and reading is taken care through the Srimad Bhagavatam. By reading and studying these stories, one directly associates with the great personalities and their teachings. And by such association, one begins to develop the character of these same personalities. As children grow, they learn how to appreciate the instructions given by Dhruv Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, who are children themselves. So children have perfect heroes to follow. So what will the children learn in this well-planned course? They will be learning key messages from the shlokas, keywords and their definition, character descriptions and mind maps, discussion questions and higher order thinking skills, language and vocabulary activities, mimes, puzzles, quizzes, analogies, activities through role plays. They'll be able to apply the knowledge, also analyze the information, which encourages good thinking skills. So they'll be able to even evaluate themselves. So it is a fun new way to study Srimad Bhagavatam. We request all the parents and teachers to enroll their children in this beautiful journey of a lifelong love for Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna.